വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് സൗണ്ട് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്ത് വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് പെനാൽറ്റിയിൽ നിന്ന് തുടങ്ങാം. സക്സസ്. അതാണ് മൂഞ്ചാറാണ് പതിവ്. ഇന്ന് മൂഞ്ചില്ല. ലാസ്റ്റാണ്. അതപ്പോൾ ഏതാ 100 കോയിനാണോ? ബെക്കൻ ബോറിൻ്റെ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയല്ലോ. പിന്നെന്താ വറക്കണമെന്നുണ്ട് എനിക്ക്, ബട്ട് കോയിൻസ് ഇല്ല. 0 എൻ്റെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. ഇനി എല്ലാത്തിനും വാങ്ങി. ഇനി എന്താ കിട്ടാറുള്ളൂ? മാച്ചിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഇതിനിപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഒരു അപ്പോണൻ്റ് വന്നത് മാഡ്രിഡ്. ടീം സാധാ സ്ക്വാഡാ. രാമേട്ടനൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് സ്ക്വാഡിൽ. എൻ്റെ സ്ക്വാഡ് ഇപ്പം ഇതാണ്. എൻ്റെ സ്ക്വാഡ് ഇപ്പം ഇതാണ്. ഉണ്ടാവും. ചെറുതായിട്ട് ലാഗ് ഉണ്ടാവും. അത് സ്ക്രീൻ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ എൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നം. ജയിച്ചാൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു.
Without a doubt, it is the week's most eagerly awaited contest. A sporting event which has magnificent scenery as its backdrop. It is tribal and it has aroused the most primal of instincts in so many of us. And we are glad to have you alongside us for it. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here? There could be trouble here. It's inside. Neymar! He scored! What a superstar! A total shocker for the opponent. Talk about how to wrestle control. That's how you do it. And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
Manchester United didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? Beckenbauer promptly onto that, and that is that. This interception, his positioning was spot on. Pressing high and with purpose. Hernandez kept aware And it is reclaimed easily. Odegaard
എൻ്റെ മോനെ
has a goal!
ഹാളാൻഡ്
They've done it! They're level!
Kick
In H. Rice!
Yeah, and analysis of the goal should take a back seat to the importance of a committed reaction. This is wonderful to watch.
As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Yeah, it's mystifying that a player of his talent wasn't picked up sooner and he picked them off instead.
മെസ്സി എടുക്കുമോ?
Manchester United have the equaliser and we're all square.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Odegaard.
ശ്ശെ,
Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
Manchester United clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
ആ ചാക്കോലൊക്കെ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കളിക്കാറുണ്ട്.
And that's a throw.
ബാക്കിൽ നിർത്താം. അത് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ
And that's definitely not his best. And that interception was most necessary. Nicely weighted ball. The pass is intercepted.
പിന്നാലെ ഓടാനുള്ള കൊടുക്കാൻ
That was very necessary. Cristiano Ronaldo. De Bruyne. That was good alertness.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive. The type of move to please any coach.
Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. It'll be a throw-in.
ത്രോ ബോൾ.
Toss somewhat off target.
കിടക്കുന്ന കയറി
Well, that's beautifully weighted. Diaby. Inzaghi hits it back. Oh, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined.
പോയി പോയി എൻ്റെ മോനെ.
And the finish!
Oh, God.
And that is wildly off target.
Another example of how comfortable this team is on the break.
Wilshere. It's not an especially good pass, that. And a shot! And for a moment, time stood still.
That's what all good teams do these days. Pressing from the front is highly effective.
അടിച്ചിടാം. വേറെ ഗോളില്ലെങ്കിൽ സോമർ മാത്രമേ റേറ്റിംഗ്
Nicely intercepted.
കുഴപ്പമില്ലാത്ത
Oh, that's a key interception. That has not gone well.
സോമറിനെ എടുത്താലും നമ്മൾ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യും.
Now it's De Bruyne.
ശ്ശെ,
The first 45 minutes are up.
players
So
not-
half time, and it is all square. Neither able to pull away from the other, but that is not due to any shortage of effort on either side. It's a goodish game, this, and at half time, it's one each. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
That was a fantastic 45 minutes of football. I'm really hopeful of more of the same in this second half.
That's a really interesting game, and they head in at half time at 1-1.
control is മാറ്റണം ചില ഫോമല്ല ഈസ ഫോമ
Substitutions taking place.
substitution.
And so we're off again.
Oh, എൻ്റെ മോനെ
Back into the middle. Well read. Danger is averted.
നെയ്മറിനെ കേട്ടുകൊണ്ട് കോസിട്ട് മതി ആരായിരുന്നു ഡേവിസ്
comes the cross.
Manchester United making a fresh attempt to release someone in behind from back to front. And this is something different.
Maradona.
Well, it was a really good thing he was on standby.
Cristiano എടുക്കല്ലേ എൻ്റെ മോൻ.
Good read, needed to be. Fiddles it through. Costa Curta. Ah, he's given it away. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
He's through here. Davis has it out wide and in space.
അയ്യോ എന്ത് കുറച്ച്
The attendance for this match was 72,306.
Saka looking for the run. Oh, he's through the middle. Expertly cut out. Really nicely done. And he's there to belt it away.
അവൻ്റെ സ്മൂത്ത്നെസ് ഒക്കെ പോയി.
Saka. Keeper's dealt with that. Odegaard! And that is certainly not what he had in mind.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best.
Not the best distribution from the keeper. He won't be happy with that one. That pass has been well intercepted. There really wasn't very much in that. Not far away from being a telling final ball.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Good spot, he's seen the run. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
It's going to be speculative strike. Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
No, it's a fair attempt. I think he felt he could line one up there. The odds were never really in his favour.
It's a pretty loose pass. Aim forwards. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
It's a little off target. Into the last 5 minutes. Well timed, excellent interception. The message is simple: defend this with your lives. It's good defending, very good defending.
You wonder if that's it now, but they're made.
They'll try for and another. Yes, he's done it, and that has raised the roof.
Yeah, they were made to pay for not moving the ball smartly enough through a very strong pressing wave.
And time is up. That was intense. An enjoyable contest that either could easily have won. Ultimately decided by just the odd goal. After all of that, Jim, what do you think?
അതുകൊണ്ട് മാനം കാത്തുണ്ട്. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. Okay guys, then goodbye.